I was speaking about dispute resolution in China as a legal practitioner. I would say China is still a developing country, so the legal system is not as fully developed as in many European countries, but we are catching up. I believe it's very important for the Chinese students to get exposure internationally and to build an international skills. For example, the language skill to work on legal issues in English. I think China is more and more involved in the international economy, and opportunities will arise for them to work on international projects. So it's important for them to be part of it and build themselves some skill sets to cope with that situation. I would say the enforcement is perhaps still a very challenging area. Even if you now have the New York Convention, but still there are many cases, there are cross-border litigations, but still we don't have the ready legal framework for the parties to enforce a judgment rendered in other jurisdictions. In many cases, it's still a dead game. So I hope in the coming decades that problem can be solved by some new creations by the legal community worldwide.